The special NI court, Judge A.K. Lahoti, pronouncing the order in Mumbai, says all the 7 accused are now innocent and out on bail. They are now freed. This is freedom that has been hard fought for. 17 years after the NI court, after this Malegaon blast, when all of them had been arrested a month after this, all 7 acquitted. This is the big breaking news. I'm going to first go across from inside the courtroom. As soon as Alisha is down, we're going to go across to her. There has been evidence of contamination. Evidence was not collected by experts. There is no evidence against Prasad Purohit that he made and supplied the bomb. It could not be proven. Viewers, this is justice. This is freedom. It's happening 17 years later. But Colonel Shrikant Prasad Purohit waited for this. Hari Salve fought for him in the court. He questioned how they were tortured. He questioned why no action was taken against the officers. He questioned the kind of India that let it happen. And today they are innocent by Judge A.K. Lahoti of the NI court that pronounces all 7 innocent. We go to Sadhvi Pragya. Mahesh Jethmalani, senior advocate, appeared first for Sadhvi Pragya in the courts and had said that she's innocent. Today, the big verdict from the court. All 7 accused in the Malegaon case have been said to be innocent. We're also now being told, Alisha, we can actually patch Alisha if she's there now. Okay, we're trying to patch her. After the incident, the riot-like situation took place at the place. Local police attacked the police force. There is no evidence against Colonel Prasad Shrikant Purohit that he made or supplied the bomb. It could not be proved who planted the bomb. Evidence was not collected by experts. Viewers, I want you to understand this. 1 month after the Malegaon blast case that killed 6 and 101 were injured, an army officer was picked up. He was picked up without a warrant. He was picked up and tortured. He was picked up without knowing what is there against him. Quickly, I want to go across to Alisha. Alisha, tell us what happened inside the courtroom.
Well, Rhythm, we know that all the 7 accused... have been acquitted. There was no evidence that has been found by the court, that has been noted by the court, whether it is Sadhvi Pragya or Colonel Purohit. I'll just request my video journalist to show the visuals there outside, because all the 7 accused, including Lieutenant Colonel Prasad Purohit, Sadhvi Pragya, Ajay Rahirkar, Ramesh Upadhyay, Sudhakar Chaturvedi, Sudhakar Trivedi and Samir Kulkarni, all 7 accused have been acquitted. And there is important observation that is being taken note by the court, because while dictating the order, where the court has clearly mentioned that there are no evidence against Purohit, where there's no evidence of Purohit brought RDS from Kashmir. The Panchanama was incorrect, handprints were not recovered, there was error in the investigation. Not only this, but no evidence of bullet that was found at the time of the incident. And also, court has noted that the chassis number of the motorcycle was not recovered, after which it could not be proven that Sadhvi Pragya was the owner of that bike. Not only this, but many witnesses turned hostile. This is what the court has observed. So after which there was a detail, it was an objective part which was read by the court, and court has clearly mentioned there was no evidence that has been filed. Also, UAPA has also not been come into the mark, and that has not also been sanctioned. That is something the court has made a very important observation, after which all 7 accused, including Colonel Purohit and Sadhvi Pragya, has been acquitted.
Alisha, this is the big breaking news, and I want to put this into context. Gopi, I want to quickly get in a word from you, and I'm also, Alisha,